Maavybooks getting started with bank. Maavybooks make it really simple to manage transactions from multiple bank ledgers. You can easily manage entry, drawings, incomes, expenses, and sales in multiple bank accounts in Maavybooks. In this video, we will learn to add new bank account ledger, record view, edit, and delete bank entry and drawing transactions in bank. On dashboard, click on bank button to enter the bank. You can also navigate to different ledger books using sidebar. On the bank book, we can see a chart showing summary of all your bank transactions. To start working in bank book, start by adding new bank account to bank ledger. For this, go to Add Bank Sanction in Bank Book. Add your bank ledger name you want to use. You can also enter account number, but it is optional. Refresh the page, and now you can see all your banks under bank account section, and also on bank book create select banks. You can similarly create more banks ledgers in bank. To create your first bank entry or drawings, visit bank book create section in bank. We can add our first bank transaction by simply filling the details. Transaction number is the unique number generated by Maavybooks for all your transactions. This makes it easy to record, view, edit, and delete transactions in Maavybooks. To add a bank transaction, first enter the date of transaction and select the bank account associated with the transaction, and also select the type of transaction, that is entry or drawings. Here we are going to select entry. Then enter the amount and particular. Particular may contain details of the transactions. Recheck the details entered and then click on submit to record the transaction. Although this can be edited further, but rechecking it before submitting is a good practice. After submitting, you will be redirected to the banknote page. Here you can either print your banknote or send it to others using Share ID. Share ID is a unique feature of MyBooks that enables fast transferring and recording of bank transaction details without much efforts. You just need your Share ID to share the banknotes. Congrats! You have successfully added your first transaction in Bankbook. Now you can view your bank transactions under the report section of MyBooks. The wide range of filters in reports also make it easy to search and find relevant data. You can view the history of your recorded transactions like date and time of transactions in history section of Bankbook. Also, you can view your sent notes under the sent notes section of Bankbook, and all the notes received using Share ID under the receipt section of Bankbook. You can add the received transactions to your Bankbook by clicking on the Add button in Receipt section beside the transaction you want to add to your bank transactions. You can also check that if the banknotes sent by you using Share ID are being recorded by the other individual or firm. In the Add of History section of Bankbook, all the sent notes being recorded are accepted by other parties as their transactions will be seen here. This will make it easy to keep track of all your transactions with the other individuals and firms. Editing bank transaction. Editing the bank transaction is also very simple in Maavybooks. Just go to Report section in Maavybooks and click on Edit. You can see the pre-filled form with all your details. Change the details you want to edit and then click on Submit. You will be redirected to Banknote page. You can again print this banknote or share it using Share ID. Deleting a bank transaction is again simple. Just go to Report section under Bankbook, click on Delete button beside the transaction you want to delete. A dialog box appears. Click Yes if you want to delete this transaction. The transaction will be deleted from your bank reports. You can check history of all your initial entries, updations and deletions under the History section of the Bankbook. Hope this tutorial helped you using Maavybooks Bankbook. Happy accounting journey ahead!